Hey Guru Nation, welcome back to a quick episode. I know you guys have been following me. I haven't officially moved to Arizona yet, but I'm about to. It's getting very close. We're about a month away, and we're planning their clinical research company. And I won't reveal the name yet, but I've got a family friend through my wife, Jaime Baez. He's a nurse practitioner, and he's been helping me, along with my wife, find physicians in this town and the surrounding towns, and it's been more difficult than we thought. Why? What did you say in Spanish? Small town? Say it in Spanish what you said. Small town.
Pueblo chico, infierno grande.
There you go. Latino in clinical research, you guys know what that means. Okay, if not in English, it means small city, but a lot of hell. Raise a lot of hell, right? I got it right, more or less?
Yeah, more or less.
More or less. So Jaime is a nurse practitioner. He's actually a partner of ours where we started doing the partnership with him, and he's been helping us pass our book around to different doctors. And we finally got a meeting with one of the doctors, and I think my wife and you both told me to reach out to him, and then I said, hey, here's a book, send it to him, and then I messaged him on LinkedIn, and 3 months later he replied back. And we did a Zoom meeting with him. He was interested. He said, next time you come in town, come see the clinic so that you can see if you can work there. We just had an hour and a half meeting with him.
Just about.
And it was only supposed to be half an hour. It was an hour and a half. So he was interested, to say the least. So was one of his other clinicians who was there. They have enough space to do research. So it's looking positive.
I think so. I really think so.
And Jaime, what can you, it's good to have a nurse practitioner here so we can ask, because you've never really done research. This is your first experience as well.
My first one, yes.
So as a nurse practitioner, what did you think about research? And now as you're learning more, how does that compare to what you're seeing?
Well, as a nurse practitioner, we always see the end result of research. We always see percentage of patients getting better with certain medications helping a percentage of patients. But now, being part of the actual research on how the medications work, and to have that exposure, it's a different experience. It's a different point of view on medicine, because we're not just given the medication. Now we're help create those numbers that will help us later on prescribe better treatments for patients, and hopefully they work for more people.
And now, I was explaining to you about diversity and, the industry's push for more diversity with Latinos Clinical Research. You guys gotta go subscribe to that YouTube channel too. There's a need for this, that you see an unmet need in the community.
Yes. As
far as clinical research, a lot of people don't realize, yes, it's experimental, but you get excellent medical attention when you're in a study. I mean, we spend 1 to 4 hours with each patient per visit.
Yes.
You don't do this as a provider almost ever.
No, never. You'll see probably 4 patients in that hour.
Yeah.
But now getting to know the patient, their medical history, see how the medication is making them feel, what the potential side effects could be, but also having all the protocols and procedures in place to minimize any adverse effect. It's a great experience.
How receptive, because you work in almost 100% Hispanic community, in the suburbs of Yuma, outskirts, how receptive do you think the Hispanic patient population will be to clinical research, in your opinion?
I think most of them will be open to it. I think they'll be open once everything's explained to them, how safe it is to be part of the clinical trial. I think they'll be open to it, to know that potentially this medication can help them with the disease or the problem they're having.
Yeah, and as far as the providers, what do you think their attitudes will be towards the research?
We have to, before we get where we are, we have to do research classes, so we understand how research work. We understand how it's done. So I think most providers will be open to it. Obviously, if it's safe for the patient, and which will be. So I think providers will be open to allow their patients to be part of the trials.
Let's see, but Guru Nation, you're gonna follow, because they've been asking, hey, you should vlog from before you start so we could see. So you're gonna get to know Jaime. We're gonna do vlogs. here and there. You get to meet the PI. I didn't want to bring the camera on our first meeting, but he would have been okay with it too. But
I think so.
next time I will. Tomorrow I'm actually dropping off the book again because they got the book, but somebody lost it. So now we got to go send them another book. But thank you, Jaime, very much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Thank you, everybody, for watching and listening, and we'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good one.